Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Jemima from Bombay Tool Supplying Agency Private Limited, India. In today's video, I'll be explaining on the various features of Mitutoyo Portable Surface Roughness Tester SJ-210. This is the Surface Roughness Tester SJ-210. It comes with a 2.4-inch color graphic with backlight screen which helps in excellent readability and provides visibility in dark environments. Let's open the back case. This is the provision for foot switch, RS-232 connector, SPC connector, USB connector, memory card slot. This is the battery power switch off and on. If it is off, it works on direct current. If on, it works on inbuilt battery storage. This is the AC adapter. Let's connect the adapter. Now the instrument is getting charged. Let's turn on the instrument. Press the power or data button. Now the instrument is turned on. There are various other buttons like start or stop button, page button, blue button, red button. These are the cursor buttons, escape or guide button, and enter or menu button. This detector has an extremely delicate diamond tip of 5 micron radius. Let's fix the probe. Ensure that there is this play in the probe. Do not touch on the diamond stylus. Place it on the calibration stage to avoid stylus contacting any other surface. Let's explore the various options of SJ-210. The first option is the calibration measurement. Press enter. I have a specimen with RA 3 micron meter or 118 micron inches and RY 9.5 micron meter or 374 micron inches. With respect to the RA value, let's set the value in our device. Increase or decrease if required. Now let's calibrate this specimen. These are the ley lines. These lines should be perpendicular to the tracing direction. While placing the probe in the correct position, the red light turns blue. Now let's press the start button. The specimen is getting traced. The calibrated value should be plus or minus 0.05 microns. If the value is within the limit, press update. The next option is measure condition. In that, press settings. Let's see every condition in detail. In standard, there are various standards like JIS, ISO, ANSI, etc. Select the roughness standard as per your requirement. I have selected ISO 1997. Required evaluation profile can be selected. In parameters, RA, RQ, RZ or any other parameter can be customized. Select the required filter. Lambda C is the sampling length, lambda S is the cutoff length. Select the respective sampling length as shown in table. N is the number of sampling length. I have selected 3. Pre or post travel can be turned on or off. M is the traversing speed. I have selected 0.25 mm per second. Select the measuring range as required. The other options in measure condition are read, delete, and file rename. This can be done in internal storage as well as in memory card. Measured value can be accessed only through a memory card. File can be read, saved, deleted, renamed, and the last 10 readings can be viewed. Let's see how to use these options. Let's measure a value. Our measured RA value is 3.007 micron meter. Let's save this reading. Select the folder, rename the file, press enter. Our file is saved. Let's view our saved file. Our measurement is saved. The next option is parameters. Select or remove the required parameters by pressing enter button. Selected parameters can be viewed by pressing page button. The next option is the set environment option. In this, date or time can be set. Data can be extracted using SPC cable or printer or memory card or by hard copy. Language can be selected. There are 16 optional languages. I have selected English. Horizontal or standard drive can be selected. Unit can be switched to mm or inches. Decimal point, comma or period can be selected. Volume can be adjusted. Functions can be restricted by using password. Data can be read by using memory card. Auto sleep timing can be adjusted. Self timer can be set. PC can be connected to SJ-210 by RS-232 cable. Stylus position can be directed. LCD or key test can be performed. It can be reset to default. Version of this instrument is SJ-210 version 1.210. In screen change option, let's change calculated result as 3 vertical and evaluation profile to horizontal display. Now all 3 values are appearing in vertical direction and evaluation profile in horizontal direction. Result can also be viewed with upper and lower limits. If operating in some sub option, you can directly come to the main measurement screen by pressing home button instead of pressing escape button multiple times. To turn off the instrument, long press escape or guide button. The stylus of SJ-210 has an extremely delicate diamond tip of 5 micron radius and ensure that the stylus is not in contact with any surface when not in use. While storing the instrument, remove the probe from the drive unit or use this function. After the instrument is turned off, long press and hold the start or stop button and press power or data button. You would now see a message stating escaping on the screen and the probe will slowly move into the drive unit housing. If you found this video informative, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more such related videos. I'll come up with another informative video. For more details, visit our website www.btsa.in.